We have been talking about having this all the time, right?
Yes, right.
And finally, today you are here for us to talk about new programs you have, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So, folks, this is James Amo with Frimpson podcast. I'm here with Miss Fola Badewa. She is really, really, really good loan officer. I really love how she does her loans. Recently, we did one, right?
Yes, we did.
Yeah, we did $640,000, and it didn't take long.
No, not at all. Only 3 weeks.
3 weeks, yeah. So
and I can talk about that story of that, so people can understand, different type of loan they can do.
Yeah.
So James introduced this gentleman to me. So he came, and we always look at their credit, their income, and their down payment.
Yeah.
So I looked at the credit. Credit was great. I look at down payment. He has good money, but he doesn't have income on his taxes. I look at his taxes. I'm like, oh my God, you have negative income because you claim everything. He said, well, that's what I do because I don't want to pay taxes.
Yeah.
And I told him, I said, we can still get your house. Like, oh wow, how? I thought you would tell me what to do, and in 2 years I'll come back. I said, nope, we will do this now. So what we did, he's a business owner, and he already owns one home. So we're able to purchase the second home, just analyzing like if that home will be rented, how much is that going for in the market? Okay. And then we compare that to the mortgage. So the mortgage was $4,500, and then rental analysis came back that if they rent that house in that area, it's going to be rented for like $4,600. So that means that property cash flow. That means it's a good home.
Even they haven't rented it for a year, doesn't have any rental.
They didn't even rent it at all.
Oh, wow.
It's just the appraisal just looking at the analysis and saying that this property, if it's rented, this is how much it will go for. There was no lease agreement. There was nothing. So it's an amazing program once you have good credit and you have 20% down. So
those people like me who write off almost everything.
Everybody does.
Everything, I write off almost everything. The only thing you need is having a good credit from me.
Yes, good credit.
And then showing my bank account that I have
money down payment, yes.
Down payment. And then what else I get?
We will not care about income. Nothing. No income.
No income. So no tax returns?
No tax returns.
You don't request any tax returns at all?
No tax returns. All we did to make sure that you are a business owner. And so that's all we need to prove your ownership in your business. So your registration to know that this is your business.
I think I haven't heard this from any loan officer. That's why loan officers are different though.
Yes. People just don't know.
Wow.
If you go somewhere else, they're like, oh, sorry, you don't have income. Come back in 2 years.
So folks, if you own a business.
Yes.
In the Twin Cities or anywhere in the United States? Do you?
Yeah, this program, Guarantee Rate, we're actually national lender. We're in all 50 states.
Oh, so if someone lives in different states,
they can call me. I will be able to assist them.
Oh, really?
With Guarantee Rate. I might not do it personally because I'm not licensed in all 50 states. But Guarantee Rate, our company, is licensed in all 50 states.
Oh, so you can find them a loan officer somewhere.
Yeah, no, we'll just go to our system. We just see who lives in that area. And then because we have the same program.
Oh, okay.
They'll just be able to do it.
Oh, okay. Yes. So if someone wants to contact you right now, let's say someone is watching the video and said, hey,
I will send you a number.
Get in touch with this?
Yes, the number, you can call, you can text 612-423-5847. Of course, in the Twin Cities, you'll be able to find them my house, right?
Yeah. I mean, the Twin Cities or even Minnesota.
Okay, yes. Yeah. All Minnesota.
Yeah.
Absolutely. All Minnesota. So for me personally, I can do loans in Maryland, Texas, and in Minnesota.
Oh, wow.
Personally.
Wow.
So if you're anywhere watching and you're like, oh, I'm self-employed, I have money, I can't show income. That would be, time.
I think Texas have a lot of business,
They
small business
do.
owners.
Absolutely.
Houston.
Yes.
Hey
Houston.
folks, if you're watching from Houston
Or Dallas.
or Dallas,
Yes.
just
Everywhere.
call everywhere.
Yes.
Wow, this is a nice program though.
I have another one that I want to talk about. So I want to just showcase a lot of self-employed folks, because now I found out a lot of people are just starting their own business. They don't want to work for anyone.
Yeah,
They're
mostly
like,
this time.
Yes.
Last time I was talking with somebody, and then the person works with federal government, and then this guy was laid off.
Yeah.
Just they let him go.
Absolutely.
He has worked there for almost about 10 years.
Wow.
Let him go. So I told him, I said, look, it's good for you to work for yourself.
Absolutely.
Even though it's hard, beginning is it might be very hard.
Yes.
But if you don't try, you won't know.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So a lot of people are trying to just work for themselves.
Yes, absolutely. We found out that's a lot. So the other program for self-employed borrowers that I want to talk about is 1099. Let's say you are driving Uber, you're driving Lyft. That's just what you do for a living. And you do it like 10 hours a day. You make good money on your 1099. But when you go file your taxes, you write everything off. You're like, oh, I repair my car, or I bought, gas, I did this, and then you pay taxes on, on small amount. Then you don't have enough income on your taxes. But we have a product that we can get you a loan just using your 1099. We will crunch the number of 85% of that income. So let's assume that your 1099 income is 80,000 a year on your 1099. In the past, we would just have to look at it on the taxes. But now we'll say, okay, 80,000, 85% of that is 68,000. We will say your income that you can use is 68,000 a year. And we will not need tax returns, and we can get you your home loan at that time. In the past,
with Uber income.
Yes, with Uber and Lyft. So if you're listening and you drive Uber, you drive Lyft, and at the end of the day you don't show much income on taxes, please contact us. We'll be able to assist you, because we don't need your taxes.
Yeah, there are a lot of Uber drivers out there who are struggling to find a place.
Absolutely.
Even sometimes renting.
Absolutely.
It's difficult because they want to find out end of year. They want to look at their 1099 or W2s, and then they don't have it.
Yeah.
And,
absolutely.
But I think Uber, I don't know if Uber issue 1099.
They do.
They do?
They do.
They do.
They give them, let's see. Yeah, they give them like their income report at the end of the year to show that, oh, we've paid you 70,000 this year. Okay. So that we can use it.
So you can use that report.
Absolutely. Yep, we can use that.
And then how long they have to work there? So for them to qualify.
So with that, 2 years.
2 years. At least.
Yeah, at least 2 years. And that takes me to another product that we can use for, it's all about self-employed folks today, because I know there's a lot of you out there and then you just stuck not being able to buy, because everywhere you go they just keep saying denied, sorry, no income, denied. And probably you went to a lender that don't have all these products, it would just not be able to get done. So if you've drive Uber for a year, we can actually use another program just asking for your profit and loss statement. No taxes, but just profit and loss statement. You
mean Uber?
P&L. Yeah, because
but Uber drivers doesn't have profit and loss statement.
No,
how did they?
We can do. They can find a CPA to do that P&L for them. It's actually the most simplest thing ever. It can be done within a day or two. They will just go to a CPA that prepare taxes, and they will say, prepare my P&L. Just imagine, they don't need to file that P&L. We can just use it that way. Just somebody saying, oh, you make 80,000 a year. Then you'll say, oh, I only have expenses of 10,000. Then they'll give you 70,000 on the P&L, and we can use that income. Yes.
But if someone use that income,
yes.
My question is, do they have to file taxes based on that?
They don't. That's the beauty of that. Oh. They do not have to file. We don't care about that taxes. So it can be made up. It can be made up.
Yeah.
So
wow,
I know
this is really,
there's a ton for self-employed out there.
Self-employed.
Yes, there is a ton out there.
Wow.
So now that you're hearing that, I'm sure you have questions. So
what question? Yeah, folks, this is a great news for self-employed individuals.
Yes.
If you are working out there and then you feel like you are struggling to find a place for your loved ones, the time has come for you to make a decision.
Absolutely.
You know, pick up your phone and call to find out. There is no harm in trying, right?
Yes.
Once there is opportunity, you don't want it to, you don't want to run away from it.
Absolutely.
You want to grab it, So this opportunity has come. If you're working for yourself, you drive Uber or Lyft or whatever it is, try much as you can to find something good for your family and then call. Pick up the phone and then call. What is your number again?
612-423-5847. You want to leave your number too?
Yeah, if you want to call, looking for a real estate agent, my number is 763-732-3582. 763-732-3582. My name is James Amo.